Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, we're working back on this champion generator again. I'll bring you back here. Got all the new parts in finally, and did a lot of rewiring, because somebody was running it on a construction site, and they messed with the wiring, and one of the things they did was jank this twist lock up. I don't use these much anyway, so I just eliminated it. Go around here and show you what was done. Yeah, alright. We went inside here and rewired the whole panel. Not the whole panel, but most of the electrical part of it, you know, the plug-ins. I wanted the RV plug, and I wanted just a regular household 120. I got rid of the twist lock because I don't use that much anyway, and we're running on one breaker now instead of two, which is better. Better for me. We did replace our wireless remote box. This is the receiver. And we got a new transmitter, a handheld transmitter. We replaced, let me see what else, our voltage, our indicator, front panel indicator, which you'll see later. We replaced our AVR, and the last video you saw that I put a good heat sink on it. We still have to adjust our voltage right there, but that comes later after we get it going. Let's see, what else did we did. Hang on, I gotta unplug this for a sec here. Alright. Let's see if we can put you down. Eat. You're on a tripod here, guys, so give me a sec. Alright, there you go. Hang on. Gotta unplug this plug. Ooh, here we go. Alright, now the other thing we did, I gotta pull this aside. We replaced our cable for our battery. I made this cable myself, and what else was wrong with this thing? Oh, the engine. Yeah, the engine had a janky rod in it. So I went inside I had the generator head off, and I replaced the connecting rod in it, cleaned the whole engine out, and the piston looked good, rings looked good, good compression. I did replace the crank camshaft. What else? Lifters. Replaced the lifters. Hang on a sec. Got to get off the ground here a sec. Let's show you what we got. Replaced the lifters. The push rods. All the good things there. Carburetor. Cleaned it out. The stepper motor for the automatic choke. Replaced it. Still have to work on that starter. It's laying over there. We'll get it. What else? Dude, like I said when we started this one, it was a big deal. But Champion sent me all the things I needed. So it was not a big deal. Now it's just a matter of getting that put back together. As you can see, I got a lot of tools out here and a lot of pieces and parts yet, but that's okay. We know what we're doing, and we'll get it back together. I did eliminate this, you know, the canister. They put these on there for the California folks. Yeah, anyway, so let me get this case put back and that case put back, get the panel put back on the front, and I'll bring you back and we'll push the start button and we'll show you. And then we'll start adjusting our AVR to the proper voltage and our engine speed to get our hertz and our voltage correct. Alright, that's going to be in the next video. Alright, and because this one is running about 6 minutes now, roughly. Anyway, the wiring's done. I do know the starter is good and the solenoid is good. Excuse me. We'll find a battery. I do have that little Honda battery there, and I have jumper cables, so we'll get it going, no problem. And we do have a good battery cable now. The other one that didn't have one, it didn't have one. It had a kind of one little janky thing that they had hooked to it, but all the wiring inside the box is done. So here comes a big truck. I'm going to shut you down, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Alright, it's a mess right now, but it's really not to me. It just looks like it to y'all. We'll get her. Hang in there. We'll be right back with the next video. We'll see you later. Love y'all. Thumbs up.